Hey everyone, Money Mindset here, and let's talk about building wealth. You know that thing everyone wants but nobody wants to work for? Well, what if I told you you've been lied to your whole life? What if I told you there are ways to make your money work harder than you do? You'd probably think I'm trying to sell you something, right? Well, I'm not. Today we're diving deep into 7 strategies for effortless wealth growth. That's right, effortless. Stick around, because this is stuff they don't teach you in school. All right, let's kick things off with the magic of compound interest. This concept is one of the most powerful tools in finance, and understanding it can significantly impact your financial future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Compound what? It might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple once you break it down. Stay with me here. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, right? As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. This is exactly how compound interest works. Your initial investment is like that small snowball. Over time, as it earns interest, it grows larger. That's compound interest in a nutshell. It's the process of earning interest on both your original investment and the interest that accumulates over time. It's basically your money making more money. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows, thanks to the power of compounding. You earn interest on your initial investment, and then you earn interest on that interest. This cycle continues, leading to exponential growth. Think of it as a snowball effect in your bank account. The more time you give it, the more momentum it gains and the larger it becomes. It's like a financial chain reaction. Each bit of interest earned adds to the total, creating a compounding effect that accelerates your wealth growth. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Starting early gives your investments more time to benefit from compounding. Even small contributions over time can lead to a mountain of wealth down the line. Consistency is key. Regularly adding to your investments, no matter how small, can result in significant growth over the years. So don't be discouraged if you can't invest a large sum right away. The important thing is to start and to keep going. Over time, you'll see the incredible power of compound interest at work. Understanding and leveraging compound interest can pave the way to financial freedom. It's a long-term strategy that rewards patience and consistency. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. Embrace the power of compound interest and watch your financial future flourish. Now, who here loves lifting heavy things? No? Me neither. That's why we automate. We're in the 21st century, folks. We don't need to be hauling around bags of money to the bank. Automating your savings and investments is like setting your financial growth on autopilot. It's like having a personal robot doing the heavy lifting for you 24/7. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This way, you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your future wealth. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Passive income is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. It's about creating multiple streams of income that flow in, even when you're not actively working. Think rental income, dividends from stocks, or even royalties from a book or online course. The beauty of passive income is that it frees up your time and allows you to focus on other things you're passionate about. Let's be real, nobody likes paying taxes. It's like throwing money into a black hole, right? But what if I told you there's a legal way to keep more of your hard-earned cash? Enter tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. These accounts are like secret weapons for wealth building. They offer tax benefits that can significantly boost your investment returns over the long haul. With traditional IRAs and 401(k)s, your contributions are tax deductible, meaning you lower your taxable income today. And with Roth IRAs, your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. It's a win-win. They say land is the one thing they're not making any more of. And you know what? They're right. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth creation. It's a tangible asset that tends to appreciate in value over time. Plus, it can generate passive income through rental properties. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate is expensive, and you're not wrong. But there are ways to get started, even with a smaller budget. You can start small with a rental property, or even explore crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate with others. All right, let's talk about investing. It's a topic that can seem daunting to many, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the basics can make a world of difference. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing is risky and complicated. The stock market can be volatile, and the idea of putting your hard-earned money into something that isn't guaranteed can be nerve-wracking. And you know what? You're right. It can be. The market has its ups and downs, and trying to predict its movements can feel like a roller coaster ride. But here's the thing. You don't have to navigate this alone. That's where index funds come in. They offer a way to invest that simplifies the process and reduces the stress. Instead of trying to pick the next big stock, you can invest in a broad market index. Index funds are like the superheroes of the investment world. They swoop in to save the day by providing a low-cost, diversified investment option that can help you achieve your financial goals without the need for constant monitoring. They're low-cost, diversified, and designed to match the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, but rather spreading your investment across a wide range of companies. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which is like trying to find a needle in a haystack, index funds allow you to invest in a basket of hundreds or even thousands of stocks with just one purchase. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Index funds allow you to invest in a basket of hundreds or even thousands of stocks with just one purchase. This means you get a little piece of many different companies, which can help balance out the highs and lows of the market. It's like having a personal team of experts managing your money for you. They take care of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on other things in your life. With index funds, you can invest with confidence, knowing that your money is working for you in a smart and efficient way. So if you're looking for a simple, effective way to invest, consider index funds. They offer a balanced approach that can help you grow your wealth over time, without the stress and complexity of picking individual stocks. It's a strategy that can bring peace of mind and financial security. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools and knowledge, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Index funds are a great place to start, offering a blend of simplicity, diversification, and potential for growth. So take the first step towards a brighter financial future. Explore the world of index funds and see how they can fit into your investment strategy. With patience and a long-term perspective, you can build a solid foundation for your financial well-being. Listen, none of this matters if you don't understand the rules of the game. Financial education is the foundation of building wealth. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. The more you know about money, the better equipped you'll be to manage it effectively, grow your wealth, and achieve your financial goals. The good news is, there are tons of resources available to help you boost your financial literacy. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, and don't be afraid to ask questions. So there you have it, folks. We've just scratched the surface of what it takes to build wealth effortlessly. 7 powerful strategies for effortless wealth growth. These strategies are not just theoretical concepts, they are practical steps you can start implementing today. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a long-term perspective. Just like marathon runners train consistently, you need to stay committed to your financial goals. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. Every decision you make, no matter how small, contributes to your overall financial health. Start small, stay consistent, and let the power of compound growth work its magic. Even small investments can grow significantly over time if you remain disciplined and patient. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey to wealth is unique, and your insights can inspire others. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Was it the idea of consistent investing, or perhaps the importance of financial education? Drop a comment below and let me know. Your feedback helps me create content that is more relevant and valuable to you. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into the world of financial literacy, there's so much more to explore. From understanding the stock market to mastering personal budgeting, the journey is endless. Be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing my top tips for mastering your money. We'll cover advanced strategies and tools that can help you take control of your financial future. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep crushing it. Your journey to effortless wealth starts now, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.